Gibong mo sa akong pag-solve sa work, energy, and power. Mag-discuss na ta.
But first, what is work? Work is the transfer of energy that happens when a force makes an object move in the direction of that force.
That's correct. So, hibaw naman sa work, let's go solving na of a problem that involves work. A man pulls a 20-kilogram box across the floor by applying a 50-Newton force at an angle of 30 degrees above the horizontal. So if the box moves 5 meters, how much work is done by the man? So, ang atong formula nga atong gamiton ani is work is equals to force times distance cosine theta. So ang una na to is ato sa lista ang given. Ang given sa force is 50 Newton. Sa distance is 5 meters. O sa theta is 30 degrees. So na naman ta sa mag-given, pwede na ta mag-solve. Ato ning apply nga formula. Work is equals to F times D cosine theta. Bilang force, 50 Newton. 50 Newton. Distance is 5 meters. And ang atong angle is 30 degrees. 50 times 5. My answer to 50. Cosine 30. Basta, calculator niyo na, ang answer na to is 206.5 joules. Anong joules ba itong gigamit? Kaya nag-involve siya og energy. Nagkama siya, basta energy siya. Mga answer. So, move on na tayo sa pag-solve sa kinetic energy. So, na ako sample problem sa kinetic energy. What is the kinetic energy of a 3 kg ball moving at 4 meters per second? So, ang atong gamiton ng formula is this. Kinetic energy is equals to 1/2 times mass times v squared or velocity. Velocity. Ang given nato for mass is 3 kilograms. Ang atong velocity is 4 ms or meters per second. So, ato nang i-apply ang formula. 1/2 squared. Mass 3 kg. Velocity is 4 meters per second squared. First, ato kanisa atong i-prioritize kay mo man naka-squared. So, 1/2 3 kilograms times 16 meters per second squared. Tapos ang natanda is equals to 48. 48 Kanina times mag-answer 24 joules. Joules kaya ito gamitin kay nag-common energy. So muna itong answer. Ang kinetic energy sa ball is 24 joules. Next is ang potential energy. Musta niya ang problem how we provide. A 5 kg rock is lifted to a height of 8 meters. What is the rock's potential energy? So atong gamitin ng formula is kaning potential energy is equals to mass times the gravity times the height. So atong nang i-apply. By the way, ang given is ang mass niya is 5 kilograms. The gravity, which is constant, ang iyang value is 9.8 meters per second squared. Ang height is 8 meters. So, ikuha na ito ato i-distribute ang mga given mass ang gravity of 8, which is mag-resulta of 3 joules. Very simple. Yes. Is mag-solve na ito sa power. Power is how fast the work is done. So, atong gamiton na unit is kani watts. So, ang ang atong gamiton nga formula is kani para di mo maglibog, napilis na mag-apply nga ni Juan, not to please nga na. T, diri, double yung T. Okay, in case if na mawa nilang tulo, pwede rin yung gamitan siya. So, ito nang apply. So, ang problem ng di gamit ron is a motor does 600 joules of work in 3 seconds. How much power ang iyang na kwan? So, kaniya kung i-distribute ng given, work is 600 joules over 3 seconds is equals to 200 watts. Pagtara.
Thank you for watching. I hope you learned something. Bye-bye!